So it's around 8 in the morning and I want to make some pancakes for my family, so let's do this. We get some sugar. What else? So our batter is ready. As you can see, preparing pancakes must be one of the easiest things you can do in this world, I'm telling you. So let's get to the pan. Yeah, I wanted to do this video. I wanted to do this video as we talked about life after childbirth and all that, but I've realized that that is something I need to sit down and focus. Right now I'm a bit distracted because I'm making the pancakes, so I'll have to do another video for that one. Let me know if you want me to do that video talking about, you know, how life changes. Maybe for a new mom, we can get to learn a thing or two about what to expect after you've given birth to your baby. I think my pan is ready. Yeah, it's hot. So let's pour in our pancake. Yes. So how many of you love pancakes? I love pancakes. Yani, I just love them. And as you saw the method to actually make them, my throat is a bit sore. It's too early in the morning to be making this video, so you'll have to excuse me on that one. how you know your pancake is ready to be flipped? Wait for it to develop these holes on the top. That means that the lower side has already turned golden brown. You see? Yes, and that is how you make some nice looking, YouTube looking pancakes. Yes? I'm hoping that you guys are going to try this and tell me how you find the recipe. When you stay out of the kitchen for too long, I never knew this, you forget things that used to be second nature to you. Like I used to cook. Every time I'm cooking, I'm not even thinking about what I need to be adding to foods and all that. Before this video started, I was asking my husband, what should I put in pancakes? Like I was so confused. I've been out of the kitchen for so long. So I love eating my pancakes with some mango juice, fresh mango juice. I was just thinking, can I use dates in my mango juice instead of using sugar? Dates are sweet. That jokes. But I think I'm going to try out the dates. I'll put dates in this blender together with the mangoes and some water and actually see, are dates better in the juice than sugar? I bet dates should be healthier, right? So I'm actually doing everything at a go. I'm cooking my pancakes over here. I'm making my juice over here. I have to hurry because my baby is up. Mom, you understand this struggle. I have to hurry. I have to be very fast as I'm doing this. So that pancake is ready. Let's put in another one. As that side gets cooked, let's go to our juice. Yes, I'm going to add just a few dates. Let me remove the seeds from these dates. I've removed the seeds from the dates. These ones, I'll just put in 5 dates. I think those ones will be enough. I don't want the sugar to be too much. Yeah, let me put this one there. Then I'll add some water. How much water am I putting into my blender? I'm just bemying with my eyes. So everything is set. Let's get blending. So we're done making our pancakes. They're ready. Hey, they look so yummy. And our juice is also ready. I hope that the dates is in the blend, otherwise I'll have to chew them. So let's get eating.